Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the notification bar icons. So at the first we have to go right here and tap on the three dots and go to edit buttons. As you can see right now, at the first we can edit these buttons. So if you want to get, for example, mobile data right here, you have to click and then drag it. And if you want to get other buttons from this list, for example, we can go for the always on display. You have to click, hold, and then drag it right here. And after that, if you set up all icons, you have to click done. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!